Another video. One huge one yesterday, another one today. Huh. It's in the yard, I knew that. Don't look like it's hooked up to anything. I don't know. No, it is. That might be 1702. Oh, it's a lot of tankers in the yard today. Hope that's 1702, my favorite. Try to see. 1708. Not 02, 08. Not my favorite one. Oh, look, a gondola. Gondola coming up. Oh, look, a locomotive in the middle of it. Never seen Louisiana. Two of them in the middle of it. Never seen Louisiana Delta do that. Oh no, it's two different trains. Look.
1703.
I've never seen a hopper like that before. I don't think. Look, there's that weird box car. I don't know what it is. Oh, look, it's moving.
Hello? Or did you watch TV while we were going?
No.
No.